resilience. It's the ability to withstand, to stand firm in the face of any storm. At Midwest Elite Exteriors, we build more than roofs. We build strength. Each project is a promise of durability designed to protect what matters most. Because we understand that your home doesn't just need a good roof. Confidence in high-quality materials. Confidence in an expert team. Confidence that your investment is safe. That's what it means to be part of the elite. Midwest Elite Exteriors, where resilience becomes home.